Peter said, do 16.
Ha. Ako binesemo umurori binesemo cozy.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari.
On the day that we went to Camps Bay, guys, it was the 31st of December. It was very windy that day at the beach. Santa Ebel Robata, so we had to go back home. As you see in this clip, I was running away from the sand so that we could catch a cab back home. Hi guys, welcome back to another day of the vlog. It's day. Good day, man. It's day 3 of the vlog. Yesterday we went to Camps Bay Beach and it was very windy. And so we had to turn back and come back home. So now we're going to try again. We're either gonna go back to Camps Bay Beach or we're gonna go to Clifton Beach. We'll see which one is better. I hope there's no wind again because I really want to go to the beach. Let me show you guys my outfit of the day. Put the tripod here. So I'm wearing these. This top from Mr. Price. These shoes from Fresh, my bag from Zara. I'm currently wearing Crocs, but I'm gonna change. I'm gonna wear sandals and wear these shades from Fresh. This is my fit for the day. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. I'll see you guys when we're on our way to the beach. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I hope you're enjoying the video. Yep, I haven't been vlogging a lot because I don't want to be in people's faces with the camera the entire time. But yeah guys, I really want to. I hope it's nice and sunny there.
Wondering why, no you ain't shy.
When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no, baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's skip the basics. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine China. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and the saying goes, life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, he's so real.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another day of the vlog. It is currently 22:08 and it's so hot. I can't even believe that I'm sweating. Plans for today. I'm not sure what we're doing. I'm not sure what we're gonna get. So I just woke up, took a bath, and took a shower because I was feeling hot. That's why I woke up and took a bath and took a shower. I'm hoping to go to a, what is it called? An art gallery nearby. The last time I checked, they said they open at 8 a.m. So I will see if I can go there. People are still sleeping. I'm not sure if they will be trained. I really want to go there. I saw the museum on TikTok. It's so beautiful, so cute. Let me show you guys my outfit of the day. There's Wafisa. Yeah. So I'm wearing this dress from Shein. I'm wearing my flops. I'm gonna carry my Zara bag and it's gonna be fits. The sun here. It's so hot. And I wanted to go for a hike. I don't think that's gonna be possible because it is too hot. And I won't be able to do it. People are taking a walk. Maybe instead of a hike, I can also take a walk and see you guys when I decide what I'm doing today.
When it been a few hours, when it feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only feel like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down.
delicious. Hi guys, so we're now leaving for home. And this is my fit. Let me show you guys my fit. This is my fit. I got this two-piece of shoe and my Crocs. And this two-piece, it's good guys. So I think I'm gonna put a sweater on top. So yeah, this is my fit. Let's go home. Jadi asimakuta. Na je ngode na kira to rikyo na
Will you be my leading lady? I wanna conjure and get a little bit, baby. I need to.
The truth is fitting, 'cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, 'cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow.